Welcome back, the Excel enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of collaborations and sharing options in Excel. Whether you are working on a team project or sharing data with colleagues, mastering this feature can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. So let's jump right in. First thing first, let's talk about creating in real time using Excel Online. So, this cloud-based version of Excel allows multiple users to work on a spreadsheet or simultaneously, so making correlation are best. So here now to get started, okay. So first up, open your Excel file in OneDrive or SharePoint. Then click on the share button you can find in the top right corner. So click over here, and here it needs to be saved into your cloud. So for example, I want to save into the here. Okay, so for example, I will use this one as like with these names and just save it. Okay, so once you save in your cloud, so enter the email addresses of people you want to collaborate with. Okay, so for example, let me use a email number. So here I can use a simple email address in this one. And also you can choose whether they can edit or just view the files. You can easily select it. For example, I will use the can view, or I can just use the can edit this one. You can also use the different message if you want to say something and click share and voila. Okay, so now you are collaborating or collaborates can now access the file in real time. Now let's explore some powerful collaboration feature with Excel itself. One handy tool in the track changes feature, which allows you to see who made that changes and why, how it's work. Okay, so go to the review or just to review tips on the Excel remote, then use that track changes this one. So keep track of changes made to this document. So this is especially useful if the document is almost done and you are working with others to make revisions or give feedback. Okay, so click over here, and here the choose options you want to, such as like highlights, changes, like when you can easily use it, and who you want to track, like and we all and all, who everyone, and like you can easily use it, and where you can also give here the addresses. So if you want to use it, okay, so highlight the changes on screen, then hit on the OK. Excel will start tracking changes automatically. Okay, so these are now shaped our book. Do you want to control? Yes, I can just say workbook, and for now I can easily turn. So this feature is especially useful when you are working on a project with multiple contributors, as it helps you keep track revision and maintain your content. Okay, next up, let's talk about sharing option in Excel. Sometimes you may need to share your spreadsheet with someone who doesn't have Excel installed on their devices. In that case, you can save the file in different format. Okay, so such a PDF, CSV, how you can do that. So go to the file tabs and select the shape as and choose the desired format. Before that, you need to select the, or how do you want to set for here. I want to use this one into the cloud and choose the desired format. Okay, so here we have the several options like CSV or the PDF file or whatever you desire. So for example, let me select the PDF, then save you done and save it. And now anyone can view the spreadsheet regularly, like whether you have your they have the Excel installed. Okay, so now you can see we have now this one, and you can easily share this one by going to the here. Okay, and also by clicking over here, and you can have the options to see it. And finally, let's discuss co-authoring in Excel. This feature allows multiple users to edit a document, edit a workbook at the same time, just like in Excel Online. So here, how to enable co-authoring. Okay, so save your like you can save your file into the clouds or the OneDrive or SharePoint. Share the file with collaborating, giving the permission to edit. Like you can easily use it by using give the edit, and also in you will see the color changes in real time. And when they are working in the same worksheet, so co-authoring is a fantastic way to work on project together, as as it is eliminates the need for spending multiple versions back and forth by emails. Okay, so and there you have it. With this collaboration and sharing option in Excel, you can work more efficiency with your team and seamlessly share your data with others. So stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks.